Welcome to My Natural Hair Delight, where you can enjoy rocking your natural hair with all natural ingredients. In today's video, this is just a snippet of a full tutorial that I have made, but I'm just breaking it into pieces. I'm literally like just coming from work, so I am actually recording like right on the spot. So this is a pre-recorded video, just to let you all know. So what I'm currently doing is I'm making a hydrating hairspray, a hair growth spray to be exact. So the first thing that I'm doing is I'm making an aloe vera. Okay, I'm making aloe vera juice. And so what I'm doing is I'm just cutting off the edges, the sharp edges, and scooping the gel out with a spoon. And I'm literally going to place it into the blender and blend it all up. Not the shells, of course, not the leaves. That's what I meant to say. I'm not blending the leaves. I'm just blending the gel. Okay, so I'm taking the outer parts off, and then I'm just simply placing the aloe vera gel into the blender. And I have made a hydrating hairspray for two of my customers who I love so dearly, and I am making a Moringa Delight hair growth collection for them. Okay, this was a custom made collection that they have requested, and at the end of the video you will see all of the products that they've ordered, and I'll explain more in detail of what I've done. So basically I am just simply doing the first step, which is blending the aloe vera. And yes, okay, so I did not have a clip to where I was showing you all how I actually blended the aloe vera, but basically what I've done was I blended the gel, I didn't add anything extra to it, and I simply strained out the gel to get rid of the white residue. And so now what I am mixing here is the rest of my ingredients. So I have my distilled water, I have moringa powder, fenugreek powder, rosemary and cloves, and I'm just infusing it in the water. I'm not adding the aloe vera to this mix yet because it is super hot. I want to wait till it cools down, so that's what I've done. I basically just waited till it cools down. I have not added any oils to this particular hairspray, but I will for my future hairsprays. I will definitely make a hydrating hairspray with some carrier oils, just to give it some shine, because I've noticed that spraying my hair with this water, it has definitely hydrated my hair, but I want that extra shine, and I know that's what some of my other customers have been requesting as well. This was actually like my first time making a moringa infused hairspray. So this was a great experience for me. And then at the end I have added my preservative to the hairspray after I've cooled it down. And the natural preservative that I use is the aspen bark extract, and it has worked well for me. I have not had any issues using the aspen bark extract. It works well for natural hair. It's very smooth on your hair and your skin, so you can also apply it to your skin if you're using it in a body butter or hair butter. So you can definitely use aspen bark extract, and you can get it from Lotion Crafter. You can get it from several other sites that has aspen bark extract as your natural preservative. Okay, so now, so I have a clip where I am straining out the aloe vera gel. And so basically I have just simply turned it into a thick aloe vera juice, okay, and I just left the white residue on top of the strainer. So as you can see, I'm just straining out the gel so that I won't have any white residue left in the aloe vera. And so once the rest of the ingredients cool down, then I'm simply going to add the aloe vera juice to the mix. And the reason why is because aloe vera is very, very great for your natural hair. It hydrates your scalp and your hair. It helps to promote your curls. It helps to boost your curls. So if you're looking for like that kinky curly style, aloe vera is a great natural ingredient for that. It's also good for your hair growth. If you're trying to grow your hair, aloe vera is one of the best natural ingredients to grow your hair, okay? Along with moringa, along with fenugreek, rosemary, and cloves. So this is like an exclusive hair growth spray, okay? And as you can see, this is the entire collection. So I've made 2 hair growth collections for 2 of my customers, and they have both ordered pretty much the same exact products that you see here. So I've just basically just made 2 of the same exact collections, and it has worked well for them. They enjoy it. I know that I am improving on the hairsprays and the shampoos. What I have noticed about the hairsprays and the shampoo is that it does need to have carrier oils in the mix as well. So what I am going to do is I'm going to add a mixture of the hair growth oil inside of the shampoo and the hair growth spray to give it the shine from the hair growth spray, and also to help detangle your hair whenever you're washing your hair, okay? So I hope that this video tutorial has helped you all at least get an idea of how to make a hydrating hair growth spray. I will be posting every Wednesday at 3, so stay tuned for more upcoming videos and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to My Natural Hair Delight, and I will talk to you all again soon. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye-bye.